Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial, also known as a perma bull, joins us now for a closer look at the market action. And
we are in an uptrend. I'm not a perma bull. I'm just a trend follower.
You are a trend is your friend, kind of a trader.
Yes, very much.
And the trend has been to the upside. The Dow closing in on a new all-time high.
Very close, as well as tech. We had the S&P last week take out those all-time highs, so there's more upside to come, I would think. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Now we want to see how the markets react. Now, yesterday's action was a very tight consolidation day. That's usually a positive because that's what happened on Friday as well.
Right.
The market takes a little bit of a break before it continues its overall move.
Right. The move at the end of the trading session on Friday was so interesting because it had been up and then all of a sudden
it gave it back at the end. I think you had some people unwind because after seeing the market make all-time highs, maybe some people thought that it didn't have any more gas, just in case anything weird happened over the weekend. That might have been the play. But let's see how we can extend those gains because we had 3 weeks of the S&P being positive on a weekly basis. But what's interesting to me is the VIX last week. The VIX last week, its low point was 13. Now, it did not take out that low of 11 that we saw in April. So these are not, even though the market's making new swing highs, these are not new swing lows in the VIX. And the extensive low is back in August at 10. So that means we've got a lot more downside in the VIX, which would be more upside in stocks.
Now, taking a look at the market action as well, we do have a lot happening with G20 coming up,
right.
And then it's the end of the month, end of the quarter situation, so we might get some window dressing, do you think, this week?
Well, I think we're following a pattern here, and I'm a pattern guy. The pattern is this, that a problem is created, so a problem can be solved, and then the market reacts positively. Let's see if that happens once again.
Any trades you'd be putting on here, or any sectors? Are you still hot on tech?
Still hot on tech. They still haven't taken out those highs, but you could even look at any market right now. If the market does get to the highs across the board, then we'll see. Then we can calculate what the V recovery would be. So we still have another 7, 8, maybe 9% above these highs.
I know you're watching gold.
Huge breakout. How long have we been talking about gold? Gold had gone nowhere when it had every reason to rally, and then finally, out of the blue, it's bounced in June. You know, almost $100, I think.
Wow, big moves here.
Big
Lots
move.
going on.
Opportunity.
I love it when you say that. Thanks for coming on the show. Have a great trading day.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.